We need energy in different forms for all our daily activities. We derive energy from several resources. Some of these resources have been in use for a long time and are called conventional sources of energy. Some other resources, called non-conventional sources, are relatively new sources of energy. The conventional sources of energy include firewood, cattle dung cakes, minerals like coal, petroleum, and natural gas, and electricity generated by flowing water or burning fuel. The non-conventional sources of energy include solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, atomic energy, and biogas. In this module, we will discuss some of the conventional sources of energy. In most parts of rural India, firewood and cattle dung cakes are the primary sources of energy, meeting around 70% of the total energy requirement in our villages. The use of firewood is being discouraged to preserve our shrinking forests. The use of cattle dung cakes is also on a decline, as cattle dung can be converted into more valuable manure, which is an excellent natural fertilizer. Coal is another important conventional source of energy. When you hold a piece of coal, you are actually holding a part of a tree that grew on the earth millions of years ago. Over the years, the intense heat and pressure turned this prehistoric plant material buried under the earth into coal. Coal found in different regions may look very different and have different properties. The variety of coal depends on how long the plant material had been buried, at what depth, and under how much pressure. Peat is a type of coal produced in swampy areas due to the decay of plants. Peat is a low-carbon variety that has high moisture and provides low heat output. Lignite is a soft, low-grade variety of coal that has high moisture content and appears brownish in color. Lignite is mainly found in Neyveli in Tamil Nadu, where it is used to produce electricity. Bituminous coal is formed from plant material buried deep in the earth and subjected to very high temperature. Bituminous coal is the most important commercial variety of coal. High-quality bituminous coal is used in metallurgical applications like smelting of iron. The best and the most expensive variety of coal is called anthracite. Coal is the most abundant fuel mineral found in India. We are heavily dependent on our coal reserves to meet our energy needs. Besides being used directly as a fuel, coal is used to generate thermal electricity that is used to meet a large part of our domestic and industrial requirements. Coal is found in rocks belonging to different geological periods. In India, coal is found as Gondwana deposits that are over 200 million years old. and tertiary deposits that are just about 55 million years old. The Gondwana deposits in India are found in the Damodar Valley in West Bengal and Jharkhand. Jharia, Raniganj and Bokaro are important coal fields in this area. Gondwana deposits are also found in the Mahanadi, Godavari, Son and Wardha valleys. Tertiary deposits of coal are found in the northeastern states of Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. You will note an interesting pattern if you compare the position of coal fields with major thermal power plants in India. Since coal is bulky and expensive to transport in large quantities, most power plants and heavy industries relying on coal are located near coal fields. After coal, petroleum is the most important fuel mineral found in India. Besides providing fuels like petrol and diesel and industrial lubricants, petroleum also provides raw material for a number of industries, including textiles, fertilizers and cosmetics. The different variety of products that spawn from petroleum makes petroleum refineries a nodal industry. Petroleum deposits are found in anticlines and fault traps in rock formations. This happens when an oil-bearing porous limestone or a sandstone layer is trapped between layers of non-porous rocks that prevent the rising, sinking and further migration of oil. Offshore oil fields in Mumbai High account for 63% of the total petroleum production in India. This is followed by 18% of the production coming from Gujarat and 16% from Assam. Besides Mumbai High, Ankleshwar in Gujarat and Big Boy, Nahar Katia and Moran Hugrijan in Assam are other major oil fields in India. Assam also has the distinction of being the oldest oil-producing state in India. Natural gas is a mixture of gases, primarily methane, which is found trapped in rocks. Natural gas is a clean energy fuel due to its low carbon dioxide emission. It is being promoted as the new generation auto fuel as compressed natural gas or CNG. You might have seen CNG filling stations in your city. Natural gas is used in the fertilizer industry and also used to generate electricity. In India, large deposits of natural gas have been found in the Krishna-Godavari basin, Mumbai High and the Gulf of Cambay. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands also hold important reserves of natural gas. Power plants and fertilizer plants are the main consumers of natural gas. Thus, the natural gas fields in Mumbai High and Bassein are linked to the power and fertilizer plants in western and northern India by the 1,700 km long Hazira Vijaypur Jagdishpur or HVJ natural gas pipeline.